Yeah, so the answer is definitely both.
You got to sing the answer, Terry. You got to sing the answer.
Can you do both? Because you want all of the money. But nah.
You're about to listen to the best of TSP. This is a collection of content from workshops and conferences that we've done over the years because we want to help you grow and expand your business. So do me a favor, lean in, pay attention, and listen now.
Can't buy me love, money can't buy me love.
I knew it was coming.
But it make a sure good down payment, don't it? My question, gentlemen, first of all, I'm Rick, the singing wealth coach, and my new book is Control Everything, Own Nothing, because I can teach you how to keep all your money you make, all of it, and don't give none of it back at the end of the year, and still look good on paper. So my question, gentlemen, is my main audience I'm trying to build this book funnel. All the funnel thing is new to me, so my book will be out tomorrow. So my question is, be out Monday rather. So I thought I was gonna have them here today so I can give y'all some. But my question is this: I have this system that shows me all of the cash investors in every neighborhood all over the United States in real time. And I spend all my time during the course of a week talking to those guys and buying and selling the properties. So they all want to zero out their taxes. So when I told them I'm about to explain to them how they can do that through our trust, these people are extremely interested. They all want to know, well, when are you going to send me the book, Rick? How can I get the book, this and that? So my way of been marking up until this point has been I've been texting them because that's everybody open up their text messages. So I got this large audience. I got like 53,000 people now to send a message to who haven't not opted out of me texting them. So my question to you is that should I keep my focus with this strictly with these messages to these guys, and can you help me make sure I got a continuity, I got a follow-up program with them if they don't buy my book the first time and they can get some more messages the second time and all of that? Or should I do that and try to do some Facebook ads at the same? Because I already know these people got plenty of money, and I want to talk to people with plenty of money. That's what I want to talk to, people with plenty of money. Not a little money, plenty of money. I already know they got plenty of money because money can't buy me love, but it make a doggone good down payment. So talk to me, baby.
Yes. Yeah, so the answer is definitely both.
You got to sing the answer, Terry. You got to sing the answer.
Can you do both? Because you want all of the money. But nah. So, thank you. But
look, y'all don't know. Don't tempt Terry. Terry, if you ever been in Mastermind Karaoke, you been around. Y'all don't know.
But no, it's a good asset though. If you got the phone numbers, you can actually upload those phone numbers. And the Facebook is a custom audience, so you can also hit them with Facebook ads, but you also can create a lookalike. So you can tell Facebook, hey, create the top 1% of the people in the United States that look like these 53,000 people that got plenty money. So it's going to find more people with plenty money, and you hit them with ads. So you want to do both. You want to extract as much money as possible from that list, but you also can use that asset to get in front of more people like those people.
Yeah, that's what I think. I mean, that's the beauty. I think that's one of the most beautiful. I almost think that's the most beautiful thing. You might say, well, something's better, but the most beautiful thing to me about Facebook ads is that you can take a list and plug it in and say, I got 53,000 people, and literally pull a list of 2 million people, or 5 million people, or 10 million people that Facebook say, hey, these people just like the people you already got on your list. I'll never forget the first time I heard that in the conference. I was gone. I was done for the conference.
Oh, you need it.
It was, I was at this conference, man, this lady was from the States, and I was like, you mean it? And we had an email list. I was like, you mean to tell me I can upload my email list and Facebook will bring me back more people just like the people on my list? Game over.
And if you use your if y'all gonna do that custom audience, if you're gonna do that kind of audience and build a lookalike audience, you want to use your best customers. So if you have a big list, don't upload your full list. Upload, like they say, that 20%. Upload those people, because you only want to find. You don't want people on your list that ain't never opened your email to find a lookalike of those, or people who only bought your lowest item. You only wanted to find the people who have spent the most money, your best customers. It at least needs to be 100 people, but I would recommend if you have close to 1,000, if you have a strong list of your top 1,000 customers, that's who you want to upload.
Now, what I want to share is that we've got more great episodes. And what if I told you the episodes coming up are even better? We've been in the lab, we've been in the studio, and we've been interviewing some of the best and brightest in the Black community that are ready to not only come and share their stories, but come and share specific strategies that you can use to hit the next level as it relates to your business, as it relates to your bank account, sometimes even as it relates to your boo, right? We might even have a couple more relationship conversations here. But it all starts with you making sure that you lock in and you join us every single week. We release new episodes. Also, if you are not already, I want you to make sure you're watching the full videos of the episodes on The Convo, our new network catered towards Black business and Black wealth. You can find us at www.theconvo.tv online. You can also get a free registration and get access to the app on your Apple and Android devices, on Roku, or even on the Amazon Fire Stick. We're everywhere that we need to be in order to give you easy access to the information that we have. It's a new day, but guess what? We need you to make sure you're tuning in, and we also need you to help us spread the word.